In this video, we will show you how to change canvas size in Photoshop. To change your canvas size in Photoshop, first we need to open our Photoshop. And after open the Photoshop, let me show you how we can change the canvas size or the image size. For example, here we create new project, okay, and this is our current canvas size. For example, 1000 for width and 500 for height. After we click OK, you can see if we already creating this, maybe we need to change the size of our canvas. You can go to image and you can go to canvas size. Okay, you can see this is in centimeters. You can choose from pixels. Okay, for example, you need to change into 2000 and the height is the same. For example, just click OK. You can see now your canvas size is changed. Maybe you curious, you can also change the image size in here. Not only canvas, you can choose image if you have an image, and you can also choose canvas size or change the canvas size. And that's all how you can change the canvas size in Adobe Photoshop. If you have any questions, you can fill in the comments comment below, and thanks for watching.